Welcome back to Auto Gear Hub, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exhilarating machines ever created, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR. Buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. Let's start by taking a moment to appreciate the exterior. The Valkyrie AMR is an aggressive vision of aerodynamic perfection. Every line, every curve, and every vent has been sculpted with one purpose in mind: ultimate performance. The body is predominantly crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, which not only reduces weight, but also ensures rigidity. At first glance, the massive rear wing and prominent front splitter stand out, screaming downforce and stability. The side profile reveals active aerodynamics, with adaptive elements designed to optimize airflow at any speed. Even the wheels, with their intricate spoke design, are aerodynamically efficient, contributing to the car's stunning 2,200 pounds of downforce at top speed. The Valkyrie AMR looks as though it could take flight, and in many ways, it feels like it could. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that blends futuristic minimalism with motorsport DNA. Aston Martin has stripped away all unnecessary elements to focus purely on the driving experience. The seats are fixed to the chassis, and the pedals and steering wheel are adjustable, reinforcing the sense that you're sitting in a race car cockpit. The materials are a mix of exposed carbon fiber, alcantara, and lightweight metals, all contributing to the car's featherweight design. The steering wheel is Formula One inspired, housing an array of controls and a digital display, keeping vital information directly in your line of sight. Surrounding you is a wraparound canopy, offering an unparalleled field of vision while amplifying the sense of speed and immersion. There are no distractions here. Just you, the car, and the road ahead. But let's talk about what truly sets the Valkyrie AMR apart: its performance. Under the hood, or rather, behind the driver, lies a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine developed in collaboration with Cosworth. This marvel of engineering produces a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower, paired with an electric motor that boosts the total output to a staggering 1,160 horsepower. The sound of the V12 alone is a symphony, revving to an otherworldly 100 RPM. With a weight of just over 2,200 pounds, the power-to-weight ratio is mind-boggling. This translates to a 0-60 time of under 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour. The Valkyrie AMR isn't just fast in a straight line. Its handling is razor-sharp, thanks to a track-tuned suspension and bespoke Michelin racing tires. Every corner becomes an opportunity to experience the car's dynamic prowess, offering unparalleled grip and precision. Now, for those of you wondering about practicality, this car is unapologetically a track features beast. While it's technically road legal, the Valkyrie AMR shines brightest on the circuit, where its engineering brilliance can truly be unleashed. Its ride is firm and the cabin is sparse. Luxury takes a back seat to performance here. But let's be honest. If you're buying a Valkyrie AMR, it's not for a daily commute. Finally, let's discuss the price. Exclusivity comes at a cost, and the Valkyrie AMR is no exception, with a starting price of around $3.5 million. It's reserved for an elite few, and with production limited to just 25 units, owning one is as much about status as it is about experiencing one of the most extraordinary cars ever built. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an engineering marvel, a piece of art, and a collector's dream. So there you have it, the 2025 Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR, a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in automotive design and performance. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. This is Auto Gear Hub, and we'll see you in the next one.